We have to be like Jesus, who does good because God's goodness is flowing irrespective of whether the other person is good or bad. We have heard him say to us that God's sunlight shines on good and bad, and his rain falls on the wicked and the good. So our goodness should not flow from us, but from God who is in us. If it flows from us, then we have expectations. But if it flows from God, we have no expectation, and you will not be saddened when others don't react to you. And he shows us how Sodom and Gomorrah, we have heard of this when Abraham was passing by, how they were steeped in sin, and there was a total destruction. Then Capernaum, the place where he was doing all his good things, they also not, change and transform. What has not happened to them? They have not repented. They have not seen how they should do this, not coming from self, but coming from God. Thanking God always for the good things that we experience when others do us good, and to thank God for it. My dear sisters and brothers, we have heard about Bonaventure, good venture. We have seen the life of Moses, and we have seen the life of Jesus. What do we take from here? One of the things that is, Jesus is dwelling in our hearts, so let us be more attuned to him, and whatever thoughts of good, bad, ugly which comes to our mind, let us keep it in him, so that in him it will get transformed and the Holy Spirit will give us the right direction. Now we have to practice this. Nothing happens just like that. And the prayer that we have should be one in which we are not only asking for things and thanking him for what we have received, but what have we been giving? Have we been giving to others? Because God has given to me. And when I give, does my right hand know what my left hand is doing? So it should be totally God giving through me, and there will be great joy, happiness, peace, and enthusiasm. And you'll be blessed evermore.